Hey guys, welcome to Digitalized, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create QuickBooks Invoice in Zapier. First go to zapier.com, and once you are here on the left side you can see create a Zap. Click here and let's select our trigger. Now all we have to do is edit the email and add unsubscribe code. So now all you have to do is choose any template. Alright, so let's select our trigger. So select trigger will be one from this QuickBooks Online, and then click on use templates. Alright, so let's select our events. So here we will see a new bill. Our event will be new bill. Now click continue and then connect with your QuickBooks Online account. So I'm just going to skip this process for now and go to your action. Again we'll select QuickBooks Online, click here, click your event. So now all you have to do is click on create invoice and click continue, and then sign in with your QuickBooks account again. And after a few steps you'll be able to publish the Zap, and that is how you will be able to create invoice in QuickBooks Online with the help of Zapier. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.